Imagine you're trying to drive your car, but there is a child blocking your way. This child refuses to move from in front of your car, and there's no way to go around them. And no, you can't just run them over either. You think all hope is lost for you to drive today until a ball comes rolling up to the child. The child takes the ball and runs off to play with it, opening up space to now let you continue your drive. This scenario is analogous to negative-inducible transcriptional regulation in prokaryotes. In negative-inducible transcription, RNA polymerase is unable to bind to the promoter region of the DNA strand that it is trying to transcribe. This is because an active repressor binds to the operator, a segment of DNA that interacts with activator or repressor proteins. The repressor blocks the promoter region from being able to tell the RNA polymerase where to bind in order to start transcription. The result is no transcription. Is there anything that can be done to stop this repressor protein from preventing transcription from occurring? We're in luck because there is. A small molecule, otherwise known as an effector, can be present in the cell. When the small molecule is present, it can bind to the repressor protein at the allosteric site and cause a conformational change, altering the portion of the protein that would have otherwise binded to the operator. With this alteration, the repressor protein can no longer bind to the operator, which allows RNA polymerase to bind to the promoter and transcription can occur. This allows for the structural genes located in the operon to be transcribed. These genes encode for proteins that are used in metabolism or that play a role in the structure of the cell and can now be created. In this mode of transcription regulation, a repressor gene coded for a repressor which results in negative control. In other modes, an activator gene can instead code for an activator protein which stimulates or promotes transcription. This is known as positive control. Can you tell which parts of the analogy represented the components of transcriptional regulation explained? The car represents the RNA polymerase, the child represents the repressor protein, the ball represents the effector, and driving represents transcription. This negative-inducible system is one of the 4 modes by which the expression of genes is regulated in prokaryotes. A well-known example of an operon that is negative-inducible is the lac operon. Thank you for watching, and I hope this gave you a better understanding of how negative-inducible gene regulation works in prokaryotes.